version 4 was all about outcomes. So I think we've started to self-reflect a little bit and say, are LEED buildings really performing the way they should? And how do we fix it if they're not? So in version 4, we started to write credits that focused on the outcomes and focused on whether or not projects are actually gaining the intended benefit when they achieve a credit. So you can achieve the bike rack credit, but no one bikes to your office or to your building. How do we write a credit that when you achieve that credit, it's more likely that people actually use your bike racks and so forth. So version 4 changed some of the requirements, and we changed our language to really focus on outcomes. How do we realize the outcomes we're desiring for all of these credits? So 4.1 is really an extension of that, focusing on performance, focusing on outcomes, making sure we can start to measure the performance of buildings and more strongly correlate the intended benefit with the actual achievement of that credit.